Today we'll be learning about how to log into TalkTalk account. For that, open any preferred browser and on the URL box you need to type in www.talktalk.co.uk. Then press enter on the keyboard. Then this will take you to the official site of TalkTalk application, where you'll need to click on accept all if you want to accept the cookies, or else click on reject all. And now click on my account, which is at the upper right corner of the screen. And once you do that, you'll be taken to this login or the register page of TalkTalk account. So in order to log in, you need to click on login and enter the email address. If you have forgotten email address, you need to click on forgotten email address link and easily reset your email address. And here in the next box, you'll need to enter the password. If you've forgotten your password, click on forgotten password link and easily reset from there. After that, you can click on login button and easily log into TalkTalk account, or else you can also log in passwordless. So in this way, you can easily log into TalkTalk account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.